The following message is transmitted at the request of the Burlington Police Department and the Vermont State Police. Police are investigating a missing child that was taken from downtown Burlington. The boy's name is Harrison Jackson. Harrison Jackson is a white female, 5 feet tall, with brown hair and brown eyes. He was last seen with a green shirt and light blue pants. In addition, eyewitnesses are being reported that there is an unknown individual with a black cap and black skin with red eyes. If you see the suspect, call the police, and stay tuned for further information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Vermont Emergency Management. The suspect has been identified. The suspect's name is Slendy. Slendy is a black figure, 7 feet tall, unknown weight, red eyes, and a black cape. Slendy has the ability to fly around everywhere. This individual is extremely dangerous and has the capability to kill. If you see it, run away and call the police. Stay tuned for more information.
Welcome to ABC News Report. Today, we have been reporting more sightings of Slendy across downtown Burlington, Vermont. At the same time, more child abductions are being reported, and no one knows where Slendy is hiding at the moment. Police will look and investigate, and everyone needs to stay calm as panicking will make the situation worse. If you see Slendy in your area, you're advised to report it to the police. In other news, there was a huge riot taking place in Paris, France.
There he is.
Come on, what are you waiting for? Let's catch him. I found him. Put your goddamn hands up now, you hear me? Put your damn hands up.
Ha ha ha, you guys cannot get me.
This is the administrative message. The Slendy has been caught and contained. All the missing children have been brought back safely. Normal program may continue.